We all know the importance of protein in the growth and development of our kids. Yet the intake of protein-rich food is lacking in Indian diet. The Indian diet continues to be cereal-centric, notwithstanding the fact that cereal-based foods do not complete the requirement of protein in our children. Children require anywhere between 0.9 to 1.2 grams of protein per kg body weight. A lack in adequate amount of protein can lead to poor brain development, low immunity, and risk of frequent infections. Here are a list of foods that are rich in protein and can be easily incorporated in your child's diet. Number 1. 50 grams of paneer can give you 10 grams of protein. A handful of unsalted nuts gives anywhere between 5 to 7 grams of protein. A glass of milk gives you 6 grams of protein. If a child cannot tolerate milk, you can give a bowl of curds which gives equivalent amount of protein. 1 whole egg gives around 7 grams of protein. 20 peanuts gives you 4 grams of protein. 4 teaspoons of shredded fresh coconut gives 4 grams of protein. A bowl of dal gives around 6 grams of protein. A bowl of pulses which are boiled or sprouted gives you more than 7 to 8 grams of protein. So try to incorporate these foods in your child's diet. They can be used as an accompaniment to their meals or as a snack in their daily routine.